Home Remedies presents.
Just one glass of baking soda water can do this to your body. Doctors recommend. Hello and welcome. Today we are discussing the incredible benefits of drinking a glass of baking soda water and why doctors recommend it. This simple home remedy can have a profound impact on your health. Let's explore how a daily glass of baking soda water can transform your body. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. What is baking soda water? Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile and common household ingredient. When mixed with water, it creates a powerful health tonic. Simply dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water to create this beneficial drink. The benefits of drinking baking soda water. Number 1. Balances pH levels. One of the main benefits of drinking baking soda water is that it helps balance your body's pH levels. An acidic body environment can lead to a variety of health issues, including fatigue, digestive problems, and even chronic diseases. Baking soda is alkaline, which helps neutralize excess acidity and maintain a healthy pH balance. Number 2. Aids digestion and reduces heartburn. Baking soda water can act as an antacid, providing relief from heartburn, acid reflux, and indigestion. It helps neutralize stomach acid, easing discomfort and promoting better digestion. If you often experience these issues, drinking a glass of baking soda water can be a simple and effective remedy. Number 3. Enhances kidney function. Maintaining the right pH balance is crucial for kidney health. Baking soda water can help improve kidney function by reducing the acidity in your body, which can prevent the formation of kidney stones and help the kidneys filter toxins more effectively. Number 4. Boosts physical performance. Some athletes use baking soda water as a performance enhancer. It is believed to reduce muscle fatigue and improve endurance during high intensity workouts by neutralizing the lactic acid that builds up in muscles. Drinking baking soda water before exercise can help you perform better and recover faster. Number 5. Detoxifies the body. Baking soda water aids in detoxifying the body by helping the kidneys flush out toxins. This can lead to improved overall health and a more efficient bodily function. Regular detoxification is key to maintaining good health and preventing chronic illnesses. Number 6. Supports oral health. Baking soda is known for its antibacterial properties, making it beneficial for oral health. Drinking baking soda water can help kill harmful bacteria in your mouth, freshen your breath, and prevent cavities and gum disease. Number 7. Relieves urinary tract infections UTI. Baking soda water can help relieve the symptoms of urinary tract infections by neutralizing the acid in your urine. This reduces the burning sensation and helps clear the infection more quickly. How to make baking soda water? Making baking soda water is easy. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 glass of water. Instructions: dissolve the baking soda in the water and stir well. Drink it once a day, preferably on an empty stomach for best results. Precautions: while baking soda water has many benefits, it is important to use it responsibly. Here are some precautions to keep in mind. Consult your doctor. If you have any health conditions or are taking medications, consult your doctor before adding baking soda water to your routine. Do not overuse. Avoid consuming too much baking soda as it can lead to alkalosis, a condition where your body becomes too alkaline. Start slow. Begin with small amounts like half teaspoon to see how your body reacts and gradually increase to 1 teaspoon if needed. Conclusion: a glass of baking soda water can do wonders for your body, from balancing pH levels and aiding digestion to boosting physical performance and supporting kidney health. It is a simple, natural remedy that doctors recommend for its numerous health benefits. Try incorporating it into your daily routine and experience the positive changes for yourself.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.